My name is Suzan. I work for ICK Amsterdam, it's International Choreographic Arts Center. Our role in the project is to collaborate in a kind of experimental development of knowledge transmission in a virtual space, but from two different physical locations, and I mean dance knowledge transmission. Our entrance into the project was so, as you know, it's a user requirement, is the technology needs to enhance the physical experience and not diminish it. We set up a streaming situation between Cyprus and Amsterdam. That was the first experiment. So there was one dancer at CYENS in Cyprus, and she wore mocap sensors and VR glasses. And I was here in Amsterdam also wearing a XSense motion capture suit and VR glasses. And I tried to teach or transmit the workshop to her in the virtual space. So I saw myself as an avatar in a virtual space, and I saw her as an avatar. And we see in how far it is possible, you know, to have a dance education or dance transmission situation there. So that is what we tried out. Basically, it was like an ice landscape or just a white floor and an infinite space around. And that gave a very, very peculiar way of perceiving my own body in space. Also, the orientation is even more into the body because there's a tendency to get disoriented in VR. And I had to sense more, even more detailed the relation to the ground and my weight to the ground. So something happened with the perception of your own body in relation to a space. The center that creates space and time, that generates creativity, so everything is resourced from the body and an intuitive body, so not measured in beats, but more measured by breath and sense and shift of weight. These kind of ideas about the body is at the heart and center of the whole vision of ICK.